Hi, this is Incognito. We realize that current platforms available for feedback are lacking in many ways, and we hope to solve these problems by creating a platform with a clean and easy interface. Our model attempts to emulate the functionality of popular discussion forums like Piazza, Moodle, Compass, but in a more structured manner. Based on extensive user research and feedback, we identified problems with previously mentioned platforms and designed Incognito. The control flow in Incognito allows user to navigate between 4 pages: login, profile, feed, and statistics. Initially, the user is presented with the login page where they can enter their username, password, and login. Upon successfully logging in, users are navigated to their profile page. The profile page shows their profile pictures on the left, and on the right there is navigational buttons allowing to navigate to the feed of any particular class. There also exists a scrollable list of questions which the user has followed from his or her previous visits. The user can check at a glance the status of that feedback. We maintain a consistent theme throughout the application. The upload button and labels are interactive and will explain their usage in the next section. There also is a persistent navbar throughout the application which the user can quickly use to navigate to any of the application pages or logout. Logout is separated from the navigation links as we don't want users to click it accidentally. We will now navigate to the overall feed page. The feed page presents the user with a familiar interface, very much like the ones they have been used to on existing platforms. On the left, there exists a list of questions relevant to the selected class. If no class is selected, it shows the overall questions. The user can choose to upvote a problem they find interesting. Every question item has a colored label right next to it, which shows the state of the question. Red means unresolved, and opacity of the color demonstrates how crucial the situation is. This is based on the number of upvotes and time since the problem was asked. If a problem is resolved, the label turns green. To quickly check what the response is, the user can hover over the colored label to enable a pop-up which notifies the user of the instructor remark. To address the problem of instantaneous feedback, we have the survey button on the top. The survey form button glows yellow when the instructor pushes for a survey, and the student user can click on it to fill the survey. The survey form is minimal in the responses it asks for. The inputs are touch-friendly and provides visual feedback for user selections clearly. User can either submit this survey or choose to cancel. Each of those actions are aided by color associations on the buttons. The feedback form can be accessed anytime by the user using the green Add Feedback button at the bottom and offers a similar experience to the user. The interface itself is very minimalistic and does not confuse the user with extra information. On the right, there exists a dynamic and interactive graph which shows at a glance what the state of a particular feed is. We optimize the graphic presentation to make it more customized to each class. The node color shows the resolution state, and the size of the node indicates the popularity of the question. Let's say a user we want to find how this student do in this class overall and what has been the historical record. We can do so by statistics view. We will now navigate to the stats view for this particular class. It is possible to see the statistics for each class. They cover different areas such as the discussion, homework, midterm, and location. A series of interactive pie charts are used to display the stats. Each of these pie charts contains a legend describing what each section of the chart represents. It is possible as well to hover over the different sections of a chart. When doing so, the total number in each section out of entire sample is displayed. as well as what the section represents. For both the discussion and lecture, what is recorded in the pie charts are the students' general opinions of their overall usefulness. Both the homework and midterm categories contain 2 pie charts each, one representing the difficulty and one representing the actual results. From these statistics, students can gain a better understanding for each class and how difficult it really is, how much correspondence exists between what the students say and their results, and so on. This is Incognito. Thank you very much.